I always say this, looking expensive doesn't always mean thousands in your account or buying designer labels. Sometimes it's about the right details and styling tricks that give you that luxury look without breaking the bank. In today's video, I'm sharing 12 cheap items that make you look more expensive and well put together, plus styling tips and full outfit examples you can copy right now. These are budget friendly pieces you can always find, and when styled right will give you that high-end aesthetic we all love. I have similar videos like this live on my channel, which I'll leave linked in the cards as well as in my description box below. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chantel here. If you're new, I share fashion, lifestyle, and self-development tips that help you glow up on a budget and still feel like your best self. Don't forget to join the Chantel Nation family by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Also share the video and give it a thumbs up. That being said, let's dive straight into these game-changing items that make you look expensive for cheap. Number one on my list are gold-plated hoop earrings. Hoops frame the face, add shine, and give an instant chic touch without screaming cheap. Stick to mid-size, not huge or tiny. Avoid anything too shiny or plastic looking. Matte or brushed gold versions look pricier. Paired with a white button-down shirt tucked into wide leg black trousers, sleek bun, red lippy, it equals rich minimalism. Number two, a structured handbag. Shape equals sophistication when it comes to handbags. Also, structured bags mimic designer handbags. Opt for neutral colors such as black, camel, beige, white for that elevated look. Number three, a silk or a satin scarf. This adds texture and instantly says Parisian chic. Tie around your neck, use as a high accessory, or knot it on your handbag. This fashion piece is definitely sure to make you look uber expensive. Number four, minimalist gold pendant necklace. It's dainty, it's timeless, and it looms elegant, whether styled, layered, or solo. It also gives that quiet luxury vibe instead of trendy. Go for simple pendant styles on a thin chain for that subtle elegance. You can style it with a plain white shirt, slip dress, or even blazer for that understated luxury. Number five, oversized sunglasses. Not only do oversized sunglasses hide your tired eyes, they also sharpen your features and scream confidence. Stick to black or tortoiseshell with thick frames. No loud logos, as those tend to look tacky. They come in different styles such as square, round, even cat eye. Just find what works for your facial feature. There was no way I was going to conclude this video without mentioning number six, and that is a white button-down shirt or t-shirt. They are timeless, clean, versatile, and always give off a crisp look. Scout for thick cotton fabric in plain or ribbed for your t-shirts, while silk, satin, or even cotton works well with button-down shirts. Steam or iron them, tuck neatly, roll sleeves for an effortless chic result. Number seven, tailored blazers. Nothing sharpens a look faster than a blazer. A good blazer can even elevate leggings. Yeah. Be on the hunt for structured shoulder blazers. Oversized styles work too, but with this you have to style with a slimmer bottom for balance. Number eight, wide leg trousers or jeans. They elongate the legs and they scream sophistication. The hem of your trousers should skim the floor, as too short looks cheap. Yeah, it's so simple. You can pair it with heels, pointed flats, or even sneakers. Wide leg trousers or jeans can easily be sourced, but it's sure to make you look expensive. Stick to darker blues, black, off-white, aka ecru hues with no rips and cutouts. The next staple that should be in your closet if you want to look expensive on a budget is a little black dress, LBD. No, scratch that. Let's keep it at a black dress, just a black dress. Doesn't have to be little, as I reckon that most of my viewers are modest fashion lovers. A black dress instantly gives off an expensive look. All you have to do is choose clean silhouettes for your body type. I have a video listed in my cards right now and also in my description box where I talked about how to know your body type and dress for your body type. Whether it's a sheath dress, slip dress, or wrap dress, choose what works for you, aka your body type. And in the process, please avoid unnecessary bling. That is if you want to look expensive though. Number 10, strappy sandals. Minimal sandals are a timeless shoe style that screams quiet wealth. Stick to nude, beige, or black. Thin straps look more expensive than chunky ones as they show off your beautiful leg features. Number 11 is a red lipstick, which can either be a make or a break when styled wrongly. But believe me when I say a bold red lip instantly transforms your look and it gives you that expensive outlook. Pro tip will be to keep the rest of your makeup minimal. Stick to matte or slightly glossy finishes for that sophistication. Heavy eyes paired with heavy lips is so cheap looking. Black trousers, white blouse, red lippy, sleek hair, gold hoops. Classy, expensive power move. Final item on my list, aka number 12, is a linen fabric outfit. Everyone needs one. That is if you want to look expensive, because that's what we are trying to achieve with this video. Be it in the form of a dress, pants, shirts, or shorts. If you want to look like you live in Saint-Tropez or just expensive with little to no effort, invest in a linen piece. That is a fantastic addition to your closet. It has a natural airy texture that feels sophisticated and timeless even when it is affordable. It also looks intentional, like you chose a chic fabric, not the regular cotton. Stick to neutral shades such as white, beige, soft gray, muted olive, as they tend to look more luxurious. Bright secondary colors can look more casual than luxurious when it comes to linen fabrics, in my opinion. With linen, you just have to embrace the natural creases and wrinkles, as those are part of its charm and authenticity. So there you have it, y'all. 12 cheap items plus styling tricks and outfit ideas that make you look instantly more expensive. I decided to keep the video relatable and just focus on things I would say everyone already owns or can easily afford without breaking the bank. Looking rich isn't about money, it is about details, tailoring, and of course, confidence. Which one of these will you be adding to your closet, and which of the items do you already own? Leave same in the comments. Can't wait to see your pics. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to level up their style on a budget. As always, thank you so much for being part of the Chantel Nation. Until I come your way again, stay amazing. Mwah. Bye, y'all.
Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. And you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek. Put you in a new product to ignite your smile. Blow a kiss, shit, like that crowd.